Thank you for joining me today. So, we're starting out with some luminizer to prime the skin. With a big fluffy brush, we're taking a little bit of translucent powder to set the eyelid. With the large fluffy brush, we're going in with that light brown shade. We're working it all over the crease. With the smaller brush, we're going in with that warm brown, just into the crease. So we're doing some liner with a thin brush there, just doing some wings. And with a really tiny brush, we're just doing that outer V. Going in with a little bit more darker eyeshadow. We're taking some white eyeshadow and working that onto the brow bone. And we're taking some light silver shade shimmer. With a wet brush, we're going to work that all over the lid. Again, with that shimmery brown shade, we're going to work that into the inner V just to highlight it. And then with that big fluffy brush, we're going to blend it all out and get rid of any of those harsh lines. Some dark brown eyeliner. We're going to do the inner waterline. Now getting into concealer, pulling that under the eyes, chin, forehead. And I'm using that also to sharpen the wing. With that lightest shade of brown, we're gonna go under the eyes. And going back in with that silver, we're just gonna do the inner V and highlight that. And taking some more of that shimmery brown, we're gonna do the bottom lash line. Adding some brown mascara. And you can either stop here or add some lashes when it comes to this look. I'm using a cream contour stick that's in a cool shade of brown. Blending that all out. And going in with a warmer shade of bronzer, and we're going to work that all over the face and neck, on the jawline there, and just a little bit on the cheeks, going in with a smaller brush. I'm taking two different blushes. I'm taking a peachier tone and I'm taking a pink tone. And we're just going to work those into the cheeks. Going in with a light gold and a wet brush. We're going to work that all over the upper cheekbone and the mid cheekbone, in the middle of the nose, and the Cupid's bow. Now, if you want to up your look, I took some lashes and I popped them on. I added some orange liner to my inner lash line and adding a little mascara to the bottom lashes. Now taking some translucent powder and just cleaning up the cheeks and accentuating them, and just setting under the eyes a little bit and the forehead. Now we're taking my brown liner. It's a reddish brown lip liner. It's my favorite. Lining the lips. I'm taking a little bit of MAC Myth to lighten up my lips. And we're going in with Captivated from Maybelline, which is it's a nice nude shade. I'm taking some pink lip gloss to finish the look. And there you have it. This is my sleek and polished makeup look. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, and if you have any requests for makeup looks, please let me know, and I'll do my best to make one for you. Thank you.